Good morning. How can I assist you today? Good morning. We are here to renew my daughter Ria's passport. It is set to expire in a couple of months and we need to renew it before our trip. Absolutely. We can help with that. Is this your first time renewing a passport? Yes, it is. We have brought her old passport with us. What do we need to do next? Great. First, let's start by filling out the passport renewal application form. Ria, this is pretty straightforward. But if you need any help, feel free to ask. Thank you. I might need some help with the details. Ria, you will need to fill in your full name, date of birth, and your passport number. Make sure everything matches exactly as it appears on your old passport. Okay, I am writing my full name here and my date of birth. Now the passport number. Should I include the dashes? Yes, include them just as they appear on your passport. That's perfect. Next, there is a section for your address. Has your address changed since you last applied? No, our address is still the same. Great. You can go ahead and write your current address here. Just remember to double check everything before you move on to the next section. I have filled in my address. What is next? Now you need to fill in your parents' details. Priya, you will need to provide your full name and occupation in this section. I will write that down for you, Ria. Thanks, Mom. What about the emergency contact? Should I put your name again? You can, or you can list another trusted family member or close friend who can be contacted if needed. I will put my mom's name here again. Good choice. Now the next part is about any previous travel details. Have you traveled anywhere with this passport? Yes, we went to Dubai 2 years ago. Should I write that down? Yes, there is a section where you can mention your previous trips. Just list the countries you visited and the year you traveled. Okay, I have mentioned our trip to Dubai. I think I'm almost done with the form. Is there anything else I need to fill in? That's about it for the basic details. Now let's talk about the required documents. You will need to submit a copy of your Aadhaar card, two recent passport sized photographs, and your old passport. We brought her Aadhaar card and photos with us. Are the photos supposed to be in a specific format? Yes, they should be against a white background with your face clearly visible and without any shadows. If these meet the criteria, you are good to go. Do these look okay? These are perfect. Now let's talk about the processing time. Normally, it takes about 2 to 3 weeks to process a renewal. However, if you need it sooner, you can opt for the Tatkal service, which reduces the time to about a week. 2 to 3 weeks sound okay. But what exactly is the Tatkal service? Is it very expensive? The Tatkal service is a faster processing option. It does come with an additional fee, but it is very useful if you are in a hurry. For a regular renewal, you will receive updates via SMS once the process starts. But with Tatkal, it's expedited. We will stick with the regular process for now. I don't think we need it urgently, but we will keep the Tatkal option in mind just in case. No problem at all. Once Ria finishes the form, we will submit it along with the documents and I will give you a receipt. You will also receive an SMS confirmation of your application. This looks perfect, Ria. Everything is in order. Now just sign here at the bottom of the form. Here you go. Great. I will process this now. Please keep the receipt safe as you will need it when you come to collect the renewed passport. Also, remember to check your SMS notification for updates on the processing status. Thank you so much, Miss Mehta. You have been very helpful. It's my pleasure. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Your new passport should be ready in a few weeks. Thank you, Miss Mehta. I feel so much better now that we have taken care of this. Yes, thank you again. We will wait for the updates and look forward to receiving the passport soon.